Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could turn any room into your own personal home theater? Whether it's a movie night, a big game, or even a work presentation. The Xming Episode 1 Smart Projector makes it all possible. Stick around because today I'm going to show you why this tiny little gadget is about to become your new best friend. First up, let's talk about the ultra compact design. This thing is tiny. It measures just 5 by 6 by 7 inches and weighs only 2.75 pounds. That's lighter than my laptop. You can literally carry it with one hand, move it from room to room, or even take it to a friend's house for a movie night. No more bulky possessions taking up space. This one fits perfectly into your life. Now let's talk about the stunning Full HD projection. This projector delivers crystal clear images with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Whether you're projecting a 40-inch screen for a cozy night in or a massive 120-inch display for a party, the quality is absolutely incredible. Look at this. It's like being in a movie theater. And here's the best part. With the 1.2 to 1 throw ratio means you don't have to rearrange your entire room to get the perfect setup. Just place it wherever it's convenient and you're good to go. Okay, this is where it gets really cool. The Xming Episode 1 runs on Google TV, which means you have instant access to all your favorite streaming apps. Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, you name it. It's all right here. No extra devices, no complicated setup. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and start streaming. It's like having a smart TV, but with the screen as big as your wall. How awesome is that? Now I know what you're thinking. What if I don't have the perfect setup? Don't worry, this projector has you covered. It features autofocus and omnidirectional auto keystone correction. So no matter where you place it, you always get a perfectly aligned and sharp image. See that? It does all the work for you. No more fiddling with knobs or settings. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And let's not forget how efficient and quiet this thing is. With a total power consumption of just 65 watts and standby power below half a watt, it's super eco-friendly. Plus, it operates at a whisper quiet noise level of under 30 decibels. That means you won't even notice it's on. Perfect for late night binge watching or focused work sessions. Can you hear that? Nope, me neither. It's just that quiet. So you can hear how clear that the speaker sounds on this projector. This is just at 50%.
I'm not about that, Algie. Playing with my dad. First of all, it's Mr. Rhythm to you, you little traitor.
And now I'm gonna put it to the full blast 100%.
It says Goon Squad. You already made your choice, Don. Right, Pete? You can't. Are you crying? There's some crying in the serververse, Pete. All right.
So this speaker sounds very clear, and you don't need an external speaker to hear the sounds that are coming out from this projector. So the sound quality is very good. You can see how clear that the image quality is from this projector when it's nice and dark in the room. All the colors are vibrant and you can see everything clearly. So this is a great projector to use for movie night. And then I also like how well it sounds. And then you can even hook up either your gaming system with the HDMI cord. Right here I hooked up the switch, and even with a low light situation it still looks nice and clear from here. So this is a great device to have for games and movies. So here's the projector. It comes with your power cord. Here's your remote control. It has a dedicated YouTube button, dedicated Netflix button, your volume, your live TV, your home, your back, your settings, your voice, on and off, and your directional pad. So this is a great remote control, nice and handy. So here is your speaker. It has one on each side, one here and one there. Here's your exhaust fan. So this is going to take out the heat from the projector. It has another one on the other side also. On the back, this is where it draws in the cold air. Here's a logo for it. This is your 3.5 millimeter jack. Here's your HDMI port, USB port, and your power port right here. On the bottom It has some rubber feet, so that way it will stay still and it won't ruin your furniture. You can even screw this into a stand if you just want to have the stand using the stand. I'm using this tray stand right here. And then on the top here is your on and off button. On the front is your lens, and then here is your autofocus camera. So this will focus it for you automatically wherever that you put it. So it makes focusing a lot easier. Alright folks, here's the deal. The Xming Episode 1 Smart Projector is a game changer. It's portable, powerful, and packed with features that make it perfect for movies, gaming, work, and more. If you're ready to transform the way you watch, work, and play, click on the link in the description to get yours today. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on another tech video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.